What's good, y'all? Welcome to my channel here at Imperfect Millionaires. My name is JD Savage if you don't know me. And the reason I want you to watch this video first is I want to give you kind of an overview of what I intend to accomplish with this channel, what my purpose is of this channel. I want to give people a free platform where they can go and learn how to make as much money as they want to online with no restrictions and no $5,000 courses to buy that may or may not work. You know, I'm sure you know what that's like. There's always somebody out there selling something. And a lot of times it's just misinformation or partial information, and then there's an upgrade and you got to buy this to learn that. Listen, there's none of that here. It is 100% free. I've been in the coaching and consulting business for almost 30 years now, literally. And I've learned a lot. And what I've learned is that there's just so much information out there that, you know, people try to take things in and they get a little piece from here and a little piece from there. And really what ends up happening is they don't have all the information they need to consolidate and to be able to do one thing well, right? They know a bunch of things about a lot of things, and they don't get all the information that they need to be able to do the one thing that is actually going to put money in their bank account. That's the purpose of this channel, okay? So it will be divided into specific sections. What you're gonna see is there's how-tos on specific projects that I do, right? Affiliate marketing projects. Why are they here? Because I've taken those projects and I've produced money with them. If I have not produced money with them, they will not be on this channel, period. They won't show up. You won't hear about them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each individual project, I'm going to break it down piece by piece by piece by piece, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to be successful in those projects. The other thing I'm going to do, since I've spent the last almost 3 decades of my life focused on mindset and financial strategies, you know, life strategies, mindset, financial strategies, all of the pieces that actually create wealth and happiness in somebody's life, I'm going to create sections on that also. So I would encourage you to check those out. The reason is you can have all the cool ideas in the world. And look, if you don't do anything with them, really the bottom line is what? Action creates results. Bottom line. There's a lot of reasons that people do and don't take action, and we can go into those. I'm not going to go into those on this video, but I will tell you this. The reason I made this video up front is I want you to understand why the channel is laid out like it is laid out, and I want you to take advantage of all of the pieces. All of the stuff I'm going to bring you is free. I'm not going to charge you for anything. Does it cost something to get into the affiliate programs? Yes. I don't have control of that, and that's actually how I make a really great living, and I can show you how to do exactly the same thing. There was a time in my life I sold a lot of courses. The problem I have with that is it's not available to everybody because not everybody has $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 to put into themselves. You know, I always preach, you know, invest in yourself. Well, sometimes people don't have the money to do that. Not that they wouldn't like to do that, but they don't have the money to do that. So I'm going to bring you everything that I've learned here free. I hope you enjoy. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button, get this video out there, let people know that this exists, because guess what? I'm not going to charge you anything. I know that's rare, but I want to do it. I want to contribute. My goal for 2023 is to make enough people, well, I shouldn't say make, help enough people, help all the people that I can actually become